Well, Governor Calvo is disappointed in a recent opinion on the H-2B visa denials. U.S. Magistrate Judge Joaquin Manabusan is recommending that a preliminary injunction be denied, essentially maintaining the near 100% denial of H-2B visas. PNC's Jolene Tovis has more.
Employers on island have come to rely on the H-2B program to operate their businesses and keep the development of Guam moving at an increasingly rapid pace. Between the years of 1995 and 2015, the average rate of H-2B visa petition approvals from the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services for Guam was approximately 95%. But in 2016, that approval rate dropped to 0.3%. This year, as in previous years, in order to operate their businesses, petitions for H-2B workers were filed and the required Guam Department of Labor certification obtained, as they have done in the past. However, the UCIS denied the H-2B petitions, which, according to Governor Calvo, has resulted in harm being done to the island of Guam.
Well, the details are there's obviously a lot of harm that is being done to the island of Guam, and you've heard about it in the civilian sector in terms of even the price of a home. It was interesting the other day, I took a tour of Andersen Air Force Base. I was with the Commandant of the Marine Corps, and as we went through not only the areas encompassing where the Marine installation would be, we went through some of the other areas, including where Air Force construction is, and there's some projects that are held up, at least particularly to the Air Force projects, as a direct result of the shortage of workers.
A motion for preliminary injunction was filed in October 2016, requesting that the District Court of Guam maintain the status quo and grant an emergency temporary restraining order, issue an order requiring USCIS to reopen and grant H-2B petitions immediately, and extend the labor certifications.
Trying to see how we can have them reverse course, using all options available to us short of a lawsuit. But again, if it's not successful, then we go through the last resort, which would be to sue the federal government.
Last week, District Court Magistrate Judge Joaquin Manabusan issued a recommendation to Chief Judge Francis Tydinko Gatewood to deny the motion for preliminary injunction, stating that although the plaintiffs have shown that they are likely to suffer irreparable harm in the absence of a preliminary injunction, the court found that the plaintiffs have failed to demonstrate that they are likely to succeed on the merits of their claims.
I think it's important with the Attorney General, before we file a suit, we exercise all, every way, exhaust all methods and all resources to move forward in some positive resolution to it before filing a lawsuit. Because once a lawsuit is filed, then it makes it very difficult for one-on-one conversations with key decision makers in the federal government.
Governor Calvo expressed his disappointment, stating he plans on meeting with the Attorney General to see what the denial means for Guam and how to move forward. Reporting for PNC News, I'm Jolene Tovis.
The ultimate decision, however, on whether a preliminary injunction will be granted rests with Chief Judge Francis Tydinko Gatewood.